How to find a State Farm agent near you on official website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to find a State Farm agent near you, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then go to statefarm.com. Then tap on the three lines in the top left, and there you'll find an agent. Just tap on it, and you will need to put in your address. So you can just type it out, or you can just allow location access, and then it will show you all of the State Farm locations near you. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.